Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed some basic concept of mole. So, mole concept re बहुत जिन हम पढ़ी we discussed a lot. Then I have given you some assignments. So today we will be solving the assignments and learn how to devise our own formula. निजे फॉर्मूला तैयारी करबा बहिरे देखिया फॉर्मूला मन रखिया वेलकम जदि मन रखियो सो फार सो गुड बट इट्स क्वाइट इजी टू डिवाइड योर ओन फॉर्मूला निजस्व फॉर्मूला निजे क्रिएट करी जदि सेटा को सॉल्व करिवो इट विल बी इन योर मेमोरी सब बेले मन रहबो सो टुडे विल बी सॉल्विंग सम न्यूमेरिकल्स व्हिच आर गिवन इन द लास्ट क्लास एंड विल learn how to devise the formula to solve the numericals of mole concept. Okay. So next, as I told you, students, will be solving the assignments given to you in the last class. Okay. So what are the first question? Now calculate the mass of one molecule of ammonia. You know ammonia. Its formula is NH3. So what is the first step I have told you? Now always the step one is to calculate the molar mass or gram molecular mass. So first we calculate molecular mass and add a gram, that will become molar mass. Molecular mass calculate करिबा सेटा ग्राम लगे देले it becomes molar mass or gram molecular mass. ताले केता हो nitrogen is 14 plus hydrogen has 3 atoms into atomic mass 1. So 17. Okay. So what is gram molecular mass of ammonia? Now 17 gram. Okay. So here we have to calculate the mass of one molecule of ammonia. So I have given you the process in the last class. Today we will devise your own formula. You know. So 1 mole of ammonia means Avogadro number of molecules, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. We know that as per definition 1 mole means Avogadro number of particles. So in case of ammonia it will be molecules and it is also equal to molar mass or gram molecular mass. कितना calculate करूँ अभी? ना 17 gram. Okay. So 6. These two are equal 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of ammonia weigh तार मतलब कितना हो 17 ग्राम 17 gram. Then what is the question? You have to go for one molecule. So implies that one molecule of ammonia will be 17 divided by Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 and unit will be gram. Don't miss the unit, make it a habit of writing the unit always. So 17 by 6.023 will be around 2.82 or 81 like that. So this divided it will give you 2.82. Let us say you check on your own. Jaitu, hala. 10 power minus 3 will be 10 power minus 23. So 10 power minus 23 gram. So this is the answer. So this is how we solve it by going through the process which I told you in the last class. Okay. Now we learn to divide our own formula. I told you we learn our own formula. Suppose W gram of a substance is given to you. Suppose W gram of a substance is given to you and you have to calculate the number of moles present in it. How can you calculate? Suppose I say W gram of carbon dioxide is given to you and you have to calculate the number of moles. What will be the number of moles? ना W by M, molecular mass or molar mass, gram molecular mass. It will give you the number of moles. Okay, suppose I give you 88 gram of carbon dioxide. तुमको दिया वाला 88 ग्राम carbon dioxide, and you have to calculate the number of moles of carbon dioxide present in it. Then what will be the number of moles? Now given mass केते दिया है W केते हबो 88 ग्राम. Then molar mass of carbon dioxide केते हबो, कार्बन होची 12 plus ये होची 2 into 16, that means 32, 44. So what will be the molar mass? Na 44 gram. Carbon dioxide molar mass केते ना 44 ग्राम. Number of moles केते ही होता है, given mass केते ना 88 ग्राम divided by molar mass, that is 44 gram. So gram will cancel, it will be 2. So how many moles of carbon dioxide are present in 88 gram of it? Na 2. This is the formula. How to find out the number of moles? Na given mass in gram divided by molar mass. What is molar mass? The molecular mass expressed in grams. So this is how you can find out the number of moles. Okay. Then in the question given to you, what was asked? Now find out the number of find out the mass of one molecule. Okay. So how could you find out? Now number mass of n molecules. कितने आपको देखो कौन है ना मोलार मास divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. So number of n molecules will be molar mass by Avogadro number into n. जैसे मॉलिक्यूल बाहर करने पे कोई सी से फॉर्मूला पकड़ दो, निजे फॉर्मूला देखो. So तो मुझे डायग्राम mass of one molecule of ammonia. So mass of one molecule of ammonia. Formula पकड़ेगा, molar mass of ammonia is 17 gram divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, into n. One molecule means n is equal to 1, so into 1. So same answer 2.82 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So in two ways you can solve. Either you can solve by the process, जैसे कोई one more equate कर दो in various forms, then you can solve the numerical, or you have to devise your own formula like this. Then question number 2 is also based on this formula. You have to calculate the mass of 1000 molecules of water. That was the question number 2 given to you. Calculate the mass of, what is question number 2? Calculate mass of 1000 molecules of water. Okay, this was the question number 2 given to you. So water molar mass, molecular mass is 18, molar mass will be 18 gram, or gram molecular mass will be 18 gram. Gram molecular mass is same as molar mass, so don't get confused. So what is the mass of 1000 molecules? So putting this formula directly, mass of 1000 molecules of water will be equal to कौन molar mass कहते 18 gram divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into n. How many molecules are given? N is equal to 1000 here, so into 1000. So 18 by 6.203, it is 2.99 into 10 to the power minus 23, 10 to the power minus 23 into 1000. 1000 means 10 to the power 3. So it becomes 2.99 into 10 to the power minus 20 gram. So do not miss the unit. I am telling you repeatedly, jaha unit अच्छे से unit को रखिबो ताको miss करिवानी. So if you miss the unit, half mark will be deducted. So unit is very important and you have to always keep it in mind that you have to write the unit. Okay. So this is how you can solve. You can also go through process as I told you in the last class, or you can apply the formula directly. So from every numerical you can devise your own formula. This is the way. So next we will be solving the rest two numericals as I given to you. So next students we will come to question number 3. So what is question number 3? How many molecules of calcium carbonate will be present in 10 gram of heat? That means if you take 10 gram of calcium carbonate, then how many molecules of calcium carbonate will be present there? So then 10 ग्राम calcium carbonate नौछु सेतरे calcium carbonate रो molecule केतरा रहिबो. So I have already given you the formula how to find out number of moles in W gram of substance. Now given mass, that is W gram divided by molar mass, in it gives you the number of moles, then number of molecules present in 1 mole. In 1 mole, kete? Now what number? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules will be there in 1 mole. 1 mole. Jacobi substance le ketra molecule hai? Now what number of molecules? So the number of molecules present in 1 mole will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Then number of molecules in W gram of the substance. Tale formula kona hijibo? Now number of molecules in W gram, W माने given mass of substance. एटी केते दिया हिची 10 ग्राम सॉल्व करिया will be केते ना number of moles, that is W by M will give you number of moles. प्रत्येक मोल ले एतिक मोलेक्युल अछंती ताले एतिक मोल ले केते हेबे इनटू एवोगाड्रो नंबर. एवोगाड्रो number into Avogadro number. Okay, so this becomes the formula how to calculate the number of molecules in given mass of substance. केते नहीं जमे W ग्राम ताले केते ना given mass in grams by molar mass आउथरे कहि दोछि ग्राम molecular mass जहा molar mass है. So given mass in grams divided by molar mass into Avogadro number will give you the number of molecules in W gram of substance. So we'll put the formula directly here. We'll put the formula directly for question number 3. So what will be the number of molecules? Number of molecules in 10 gram calcium carbonate. Use the formula. Given mass kete 10 gram divided by molar mass. Calcium carbonate kete hobe? Calcium is 40, carbon is 12 plus 3 into 16. That means 100 is the molecular mass. So what is the gram molecular mass or molar mass? Na 100 gram. So given mass W होची 10 gram divided by molar mass केते होला 100 gram into Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. देखिए केते होची एटा लिख दियो. So wipe it out. 10 by 100, that means it will be 1 by 10. Gram cancels out into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. That becomes 10 hele gote minus hijibo, it will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 22. This is the answer. Okay. So in each case you can devise your own formula. This is how you can devise your formula. Okay. So based on this formula I am giving you some more assignments today. Next coming up to question number 4. Directly coming up to question number 4. What will be the volume occupied by 16 gram of oxygen at STP? That is the question, I think. What would be the volume? Question 4. What will be the volume occupied by 16 gram oxygen at STP, standard temperature and pressure? This is the question given to you, I think so. So again, solution, you can go by the method I told you in the last class, or you can devise your own formula. So number of moles in W gram of substance. Again, what is the formula? Now giving mass in grams, that is W by molar mass. You have to remember this formula. Jaha mass deito divided by molar mass will give you the number of moles. Okay. Then volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP. Kata kajili na 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. So jekonosi gas standard temperature and pressure re kete volume occupy karichi na 22.4 liter. So volume occupied by these moles at STP. So volume occupied by W, that means given gram of gas at standard temperature and pressure. What will be the formula? Number of moles into volume occupied at STP. Kete? W by M into 22.4 liter. This is called molar volume. 22.4 liter is also known as molar volume. That means the volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP. That is also known as molar volume. So W by M into molar volume will be the formula. Apply here. Tale volume occupied by 16 gram O2 at STP. Will use the formula directly. Given mass is 16 gram. 16 gram is the given mass. Kete jai 16 gram jaichi. Oxygen. What is molecular mass? Now 2 into 16, that is 32. So what will the molar mass? 32 gram. So molar mass of oxygen is 32 gram into molar volume kete 22.4 liter. Okay. Kete gala dekho. 2 ho gala 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 22.4 liter, it becomes 11.2 liter. So this is the volume occupied by 16 gram oxygen at STP. So this is how you can solve the numericals. This is how you can solve the numericals. So next I will be giving you some technical assignments again based on this formula. You try to solve it and send it to me. Okay. So next the last part, again some typical assignments for you. बहुत गुड़ा मुझे solve कर दीजिए. Most of them the typical or similar problems I have solved today. So hope you can solve these things. Okay. Question 1. Calculate the number of electrons present in 1.6 gram methane. So if you take 1.6 gram of methane, how many molecules of methane will be there? Easy one, you can easily solve it. Then what would be the volume occupied by 4.4 gram carbon dioxide at STP? So volume kete occupy kariyo kiya na carbon dioxide. Kete diya ichi na 4.4 gram. So if you take 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide, what will carbon dioxide is a gas? So what will be the volume occupied by it at standard temperature and pressure? Question 3. How many molecules of salt, table salt I am speaking, sodium chloride, will weigh 1 kilogram? Jodi kilo luna noucho sethere sodium chloride ra ketna molecule thiba darkar. So how many molecules will weigh mane ojon hobe, will weigh 1 kilogram? How many molecules of salt? That is the question. Okay, last question. What will be the volume occupied by sulfur dioxide, which is a gas, at STP, which contains same number of molecules as present in 100 gram calcium carbonate? So this question has two parts, two bits. So you have to solve in the reverse order. First, you have to find out what is the number of molecules present in 100 gram calcium carbonate, because the sulfur dioxide will contain same number of molecules. So you can easily find out the number of molecules present in 100 gram calcium carbonate. Then same number of molecules sulfur dioxide, they will occupy how much volume at standard temperature and pressure. So I think these are the easy questions for you. You try to solve it. Whether you are able to solve all of them or not, no problem. If you are able to solve at least 1 to 2 problems, solve it. Click a photo and send it to me through WhatsApp. That is required for you, so that you will be involved and you will be busy, and you will be able, you will gradually see that you will be able to solve the numericals based on mole concept. Okay. So this is for today. See you in the next class. Thank you very much. Okay.